The fuck? What? Amor, estoy trabajando, te llamo para atrás. Bye. Well, I might actually have to end the stream here. Oh wait, it's working here. So why is it not working? That's weird. That was weird. Wow, almost cost me. I'm like, what? One six. One six, 1 8, 2 4, 2 2 4, 2 2 4. No. It's way out of the ratios. Oh well. Way out of the ratios. We'll leave it there for now. Yeah, 161 is typically what you want to see here. 2 is clean. Yeah, this is typically what you want to see. What now? What happened? What is going on? My chart's all fucked up. What happened, dude? Hold on, I might have to reset my charts. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm pulling it up again. There we go. There we go, finally. All right, let me see if it's gonna load up on OBS. This is not good. Oh God. There we go. All right, it should be working now. That was weird. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Let me get my soundboard up and running real quick. Seven minutes. I'm in no positions minus the harmonic plays, ladies and gentlemen. No position minus harmonics. For those of you just tuning in. Only harmonic plays. I'm in 0 positions. 0. I'm cash heavy. Well, 82% cash heavy. 82. See, that can get away with, see, that would be a bat, and that's a 786. See, this makes sense. 786 with a 1-8. A 5-8-8-6. I think they have 3% tolerance. Let me remind myself. Boo. Yep. Huh. Good morning, yo. Your what the fuck is going up? You said to tell you. WTF to tell me? What is that? That white fiber shit? Oh. I'm looking at it. Actually, I got the alert yesterday. It hit the box, the trend line here. It did hit the box. So, I'm watching it. So did ARKB or something like that as well. Something along that line as well. Let's keep an eye out. Right now, you know how I feel about the entire market. It is just completely bearish. Bearish, man. Long term, it's bearish, man. Something's cooking, and it's not cooking the right way. Something's off. And, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, bro. Alright, back to SPY real quick. Thought I can get an harmonic on the 4, but I need to take more time. It's unfortunate. What the hell? This is the, okay, there, that's perfect. All right, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So we rejected the 786 here, 6. And we have printed bearish divergence on SPY. So everything is leaning on here at the golden pocket, right where your 200 SMA is rolling up in there. So fail the 200, the next area of support is obviously the 0.5, aligning with the point of control slash fib slash 50 SMA, all in the 1 hour. Looking good for this area bounce here. Man, everything's just got smacked city. Smacked city. They're probably gonna front run this shit opening bell. You know how market makers are, man. But once you see some bearish divs like in this case forming like it did there, we just gotta find the flat. Find the flat. Find the bounce. Find the bounce. There is a fat W though. I am seeing that W. I do see a W. Let's actually get a nice clean one too. I was hoping for a crab, but it's not a crab. See, that's a crab. And that's a bat. And this is a 886. Oh, wait a minute. I think we got it. Finally, bro. There you go. Perseverance, man. See, now that's clean as fuck. That is clean. Alright. So now what we're going to do is... That is fucking clean. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. At that 382. If it breaks that, then bingo bango, bro. If it breaks that, bingo bango. Alright, so I'll be watching this area right here. But I think they're gonna definitely flush it. That's my opinion. CHR GDP data today. CHR GDP data. What is CHR? I think we were going through that, right? Yesterday, CHR. What the f is this? What is this? Why is everybody... Why are we looking at this again? What's going on with this? CHR data. NASDAQ trade halt. Oh, is it pre-market move? What do we got? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Oh, wait. 9:30. Hello. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Spies open. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. They pushing it. Let's see how far up they want to push it. Let's see how far they want to push it. Oddly enough, no big attention on how Bitcoin has been in bearish market since hitting all-time highs back in October. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Let's see how hard they want to push SPY. You want to retest that 886? Of course you do. Of course. APPS. I just got an alert. Yep, APPS crossing 510, retracing after that harmonic completion. Look at them go. Look at them go. VIX is running hot. VIX 2%, SPY running it. ES is saying no. Nah. Nah. How much longer? Triple top it? Go ahead. Go ahead, market makers. How much all right. 786. 786. Yep. Blow the head gasket right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. There you go. Run it. Front run it. Oddly enough, no big attention. I mean, you know, Bitcoin being a VIX indicator for me has been lovely. I am not complaining it. So they're running it. First opening bell, you know, first couple of seconds, couple of minutes. That's how they want to do it. Now is SPY touching again the resistance? So there you go again. So another reaction off of this top end trend line, volume average high, 685.55 roughly. Let's see if that holds. Nice bullish belt hold. Typically you want to see Marabuza openings on these bullish belt holds, but it's okay. Marabuza, we're no wicks, slightly no wicks or clean opening. Okay, we do have a fat fucking, we literally have a bat, a fat bat. And when you have bearish divergences with candles failing to break with volume above another area of resistance, touching it 3 times, that's a big fat bearish move eventually going to pan out. All right, little by little, the fat lady's got to stop singing. Okay, so it's slowly working its way up. This is how the market maker wants to play, but we don't get clapped. We don't do that. We avoid it. We avoid it. All right. Just gotta be patient. Yep. Let them front run it as I thought. Yada yada yada. If you guys remember, look at the VIX, guys. The VIX, honestly, does anybody know how to read a chart? Look at this candle structure on the VIX, guys. And I posted it earlier this morning. This is what you called bullish deliberation candles. Long red, long red. Uh-oh. And it's always on the third day. 1, 2, and 3 at the impulse. A bullish candle forming. And bullish and bearish deliberations are pretty much short-term candle structures, but with quick reactions. And they're always one of the coolest things about deliberation candle structures is that they are long. So that's one indication to understand the formation of them. Long bearish or bullish candles, 2 days in a row. Third day, reaction. And in this case, you always get like you would want to see a morning star doji, a bullish harami. In this case, a bullish harami on the VIX, anything along that line. But morning stars are very typical on bullish deliberation. Bullish deliberations, because this is a trend shift from bear to bull. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty fucking cool. T1 Energy again running at 4% up and away. Fuck everything else. T1 Energy is absolutely a monster. Absolutely a monster. Fubo TV trying to make its way up again. But I like that because that tells me this thing wants up. I like when I see Fubo reacting the way it is. That's the only harmonic play I'm technically in. Love it. Love it. What else we got going on? What are the tickers? I mean, we had a shit ton of tickers the other day. It was crazy. IWM. All right. Ooh. Is that an upside gap 2 crows? Hold up. Let me confirm that. Is that upside gap 2 crows? Hold up. I haven't seen that in a while. Hold up. 2 crows. Hold up. Hold up. 2 crows. Let me double check. I could be wrong. I haven't seen that in a while. Upside gap 2 crows. Nope. All right. So this crow right here did not. So we have the upside gap confirmed. All right. We do have like a little evening star confirmed. It's not bearish, but still evening. We needed this one to run it up above the previous candle highs, surpassing the wick and then gapping down and making lower lows from the previous. So you got to break below. And that's not a 2 upside gap crow. So that's a no-no. That's a no-no. Big no-no. But I wouldn't be surprised if this continues to flush. Would not be surprised. What are the market makers doing? Fubo TV, look at that little thing go. Look at it go. It still wants up. Still wants up. Look at that. Volume. Got to get the volume stepping in. Man, BULL. Oh well, you know. And I was very, very, very huge position on bull, but I sold this morning after I saw. Once I saw the VIX, I said, "Fuck that, I'm out." Took my little gains, and I'm happy with doing that because the VIX was a clean, beautiful candle structure to the upside. I mean, it was just clean. So I got out of that position. I'm just sitting on cash minus Fubo. Sitting on cash minus Fubo. So let's see what's going on here. I'm telling you, what's going on here? What we got going on SPY here on the daily? SPY here on the daily. Something happened with the VWAP. It's messing up the charts here. And I hate it. Because you fucking me up. All right, we are making lower lows and lower highs, ladies and gentlemen. Clean indication for a bearish potential trend going on for the day. Please be careful, fasten your seatbelts, and wait for the captain to direct you. Just sitting on my hands, now waiting for confirmation. Bitcoin coming down here. Somebody closed out their short position slash Twitter posts, and that was me. But somebody who's very, very bearish on crypto closed their positions, saying that Bitcoin's gonna move up and all this shit. Right now, Bitcoin's in a fluffy environment right now. Not getting any real trend shift. I mean, it's absolutely just hard watching Bitcoin. I'd rather watch paint dry. Bitcoin is absolutely just dog shit right now. Bitcoin to hit 70,000. Bitcoin could hit 30,000. That's how much I want to see Bitcoin drop, so I can throw a nice bag at it. I have indicator targets at 55, high 40s. Is it going to get there? I'm not a magician. I will say is that I think we're going to enter a bear market. I think we're going to enter a bear market 2026, to be honest with you. Like a really bad one. VIX, you said looks good. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, daily. Nothing really giving me. If it breaks below, if it gives me a candle structure that I'm not happy with right now, I'd be concerned. But right now it looks good. It looks good. Let me see here on the 1 hour. All right, it's looking to find a common bottom. A common bottom. See if it gets back down to 14. Touches it. Maybe a reaction. Double bottom. Call it a day. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We shall figure it out. Under Armour, obviously, it's got a formation waiting for the confirmation breakout, but we're keeping an eye on Under Armour. We're keeping an eye on Under Armour. It really wants to break out. Like it's trying, it's struggling. Looks like market makers are pushing it up again. Fubo 268. Market makers want to clap those calls. Bull trap potential, question mark. Let's see how they feel. Where is the SPY? Looks like common bottom is still waiting. 48 minutes left to close that candle. Let me see the 15 here. Let me see the 15. Let me see the 15. Morning. Looks like a hammer. I ain't stressing that shit. Alright, so they're doing it again. So another top. Another touch at the 685.55. How many more times are they going to do it? How many? How? They really trying out here. They really trying. Bro, there's a clean case of bearish divergences, brother. Clean. How much longer are you going to lie to the people, bro? Anything below 17 is good for VIX. Anything below 17? Let's see. I need this to go back to 17. How about that? Well, we need to push 17 again, so I can buy stocks at cheap. I can buy stocks at cheap. Yeah, they're running it again. Market makers are doing one hell of a good job. They're doing one hell of a good job. There's a fat W, literally one fat nasty W, and they're just trying to get those calls. They're just trying to get everybody. They're trying their hardest right now. They're doing everything they can. Everything. And they did it pre-market too. That's pretty fucking sad. At the 236, where is that? Wow, that was fast. Laundry was super quick today. There you go. There you go. Let me actually make this much better. And boom. All right, there you go. All right, so we got the fibs from the high to the low, and from the low to the high off of this C leg here. All right, we're good. Finally. It's a little confusing for most. I mean, if I just get rid of the EMA, it's just clean as day. Boom. All right, there you go. All right, let's see how much they're gonna. Let's see how much they want to try and clap people. They're gonna get. They're gonna acquiesce members. So what other ticket you guys looking at? I'm just chilling. I'm just loaded with cash, ready to deploy when the opportunity presents itself. I'm just really just sitting on my hands for the next couple of, I might even say weeks, man. Like 2026 ain't hot right now. 2026 is absolutely not looking pretty. It's not pretty. Come on, hurry up. That's right. Let's go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Just drop it already. Fuck, man. Dude, I hate when market makers do this shit. They do this every fucking time. They do this every fucking time. Like, we can't see it. Bro, come on. Just drop. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Get those wicks. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get those orders. Just sitting in Omer, waiting for the FDA approval. Tomorrow, Friday. Oh yeah, talk to me about Omer. Are we seeing those happy candles at the impulse? Let's see. Oh yeah, we're seeing one on the 5. Let's see a 15. Give me a doji. Give me a doji. Make it nice and skinny. Make it nice and skinny. I won't accept a spinning top. I'm not accepting a spinning top. I don't want to see a spinning top. No, I'm not. There you go. There we go. Bing. Come on. Get it nice and skinny. Go down. Little bit more. Little bit more. Go ahead. There you go. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bingo. There you go. That's how we do it. That's how we fucking do it. Just drop it. There you go. Just drop it already, bro. Thank you. Finally. Fucking A. Omar, you said. Omar? You said Omar. Alright, did they get the approval? Did they get it? There's a fat head. Is that a Head and Shoulders waiting to pan out? Oh, man, that's... I would argue that's a complex Head and Shoulders. Looks like a double shoulder here, a little broadening here. So I would argue complex. But nonetheless, there is definitely a pattern there. Wow, the gap. What the fuck happened there, dude? Oh, look, they're still running it, folks. Pretty. Pretty. Did they actually get the approval? FDA decision tomorrow or Friday. Is the markets even open tomorrow? They're running it. There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good. Just keep going. I need a co-host. I need a co-host. Yo, T, you got... Let me see. Yo, T. Oh, your posts are protected? Ooh. Yikes. Scary. Scary, scary. Guys, how long you think they could do this? Literally, how long you guys think they... How long you think they could do this? Look at that. More divs, more divs, more divs, and you're literally running it hot right now. Literally running it hot. More divs, more divs, more divs. What's the, like, what is it that they do again? Housing. I never, I'm not into bio stocks, brother. You know I'm not into that shit. What are they trying to figure out cancer? They're trying to figure out cancer. Everybody and their mother's trying to figure out cancer. And we can never find a cure for cancer. Gee, I wonder why. I don't know. Radiation. $1 billion company. Just saying. Oh, they're pushing it more, guys. Can't make this shit up. That is one fat divergence. That is one fat divergence. Holy shit. What the hell? What's happening to my charger? Well, that's not good. There you go. Push it. That's right. Push it. Push it. Push it. Meanwhile, small caps not moving a foot. Fubo 270. Fubo 270. Bitcoin coming down. Leading indicator. Use it as a VIX. It's a clean one too. BULL 853. Fubo continues to find support at 260. It was before, it was 262. There you go. And look at that. It's like an inflated ball. This thing wants to run up. There you go. Market makers doing their best here, folks. There it is. Bitcoin 87, about to drop to 86. 86 and change. 86 and change. KOS. So small caps are not really moving. I see a little bit of red, a little bit of green here. NUAI 8%. Another run up on NUAI. That is interesting. NUAI. Give it time. Just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient, VIX. Nice and patient. Wow. NUAI absolutely clawing its way to the upside. Now, my understanding that they're using hydrogen. Something along the lines. And it looks like it wants to form a cup and handle eventually. The cup, the handle, and then have another breakout. Unless it wants just to completely just get crazy up here. Clean resistance at 478-ish. 47. There it is. Come on. There you go. SPY, IWM, ES, VIX. Even VIX is showing a little bit of life. As I stated, deliberations, bullish deliberations, are a powerful candle formation. Let me check the daily real quick. Do we ever? There you go. You're pumping it. There we go. Pump it, baby. Pump it, pump it. And the cool thing about bullish deliberations is that, again, notice the long bearish bodies. And then the third day, or essentially this day, you're getting a reaction. Where's the continuation? Nope. Pause. That's not a continuation pattern. That's not a continuation candle. No way, Jose. Wow. Small caps. Holy shit. Bitcoin dropping. BULL 850. Oh, ho, 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 ho. They're running it. They're running it hot first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, they're running it hot, folks. They're running it hot. All right, Russell, you are seeing a little bit of a pullback here, finally. You are seeing a little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin, nice H pattern on the 30. Not looking good here for Bitcoin. BULL 850. Soundhound just entered 10. Fubo wants to go up. Redwire 845. Under Armour 438. Mobix 37 cents. Domo $8.90. Domo's on my radar, folks. Keep Domo on your radar. Domo on your radar. This thing wants to do something special, I'm telling you. I'm Keep them on your radar. I mean, the divergences here at these lows after a massive sell-off and a beautiful channel RSI to the downside. This thing wants to eventually make some moves to the upside. So it rejected the top end trend line. That's beautiful. It wants to coming back hopefully at this base at 842. That'll also in line maybe more or less to where the RSI bearish trend line is here. Putting your head back inside here, you can potentially have a RSI failure swing. You peaked out already, you got back in, you broke out, you had a nice move after you had the confirmation off of that RSI failure swing. Looks like you want to come back down. If it comes here, then that will create bullish divergence deep in the bear zone, and that will amplify this movement to the upside. Again, look at the weekly on this chart. Look at this chart, dude. This is fucking beautiful. I love this chart. I keep going back to this chart because it's just beautiful. But anyway, beautiful chart. All right, Bitcoin selling off. So there you go, leading indicator. So I suspect all these big boys are eventually going to follow suit. Just sitting down, sitting on your hands, being patient. Patient. Absolutely. Wow. 86.9 Bitcoin. Jesus. Wow. Things are flipping red now. Slowly. Things are bleeding slowly. They're slowly bleeding. It's bad. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. Market makers are really fascinating. Wow. Whoa, 86.8, 86.83 Bitcoin. Uh-oh, wait, oh shit. Wait, the velocity. It's doing that thing again. It's doing that deliberation bullshit. It's doing that what is that? November, October candles? It's doing that shit again. Oh yeah. It's literally doing it again. Oh fuck. It's going down to the golden pocket. Wow. Yikes. I knew something was fishy going into this morning. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Something was off. I mean, we saw the 12-hour on IWM. We knew the indecision was in. And look at that. You failed to break. You failed. So now we are getting a rejection here. It's about freaking time, right, guys? Jesus Christ. So there you go. VIX finding a little bit of life here. We got a hammer. Nice little impulse. Got a nice little pulse here on VIX. Nice to see. All right, let's see. Small caps running it down now. Domo, beautiful, coming down 4% here. I do want this thing more to the downside. Nice little discount opportunity on Domo. This thing still has some juice left to the downside. I like what I see though. Shitty volume though. Absolutely dog shit volume. All right, final. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, now Bitcoin, honestly, moving like those extreme volatile October candles, or was it November when we had like that huge sell-off? Dude, it's doing it again. It's literally doing it again. Jesus, there you go, VIX running it. I said it, bro. There you go. Just give it a couple days. Okay, see, that's the morning star that I was talking about. Just dropped the sector in chat, moving towards the green side now. Sell off slowly down currently. Yeah, but I would be more worried about VIX and the velocity of Bitcoin selling off again. I mean, it's literally doing October movements, and it's annoying as shit. Was it October or November when we had that massive sell-off? All right, somebody said ASTI. Why? What the? 55%. Why are we? Come on, we gotta start catching these before they get to 55%. Before we get to 55%, there's a massive bearish divs. Actually, right now, as we speak, bearish divs, bro. I don't wanna take a look at this thing already. Fucking ran. Yippee yay! Let's go back to gold. That's one that I like to see. Oh shit. Oh, that's an interesting candle. That's called a gravestone doji, but the impulse, that wick, very defined. Very, very defined here on the daily. Very defined. Wow. That's a gravestone. That means reversal. There it is. Finally, we got the pullback as we see. We're getting a nice little pullback. Man, we just didn't get clapped. We're just smarter than thee. We don't hold any position, seeing bearish trend. Oh wow, Soundhound 1087. Things are bleeding. Come on. Oh, what is this? That's not the one. See, that's what happens. Morning prep. Did you guys prep? Don't be surprised if they run it again. Do not be surprised if they run it again. Cause that's how they're gonna get you. We knew we were due for a pullback. We knew it. But market makers want to do market things. What's going on? It's all in the stream. All right, so SPY, look at ES right now. Nice little doji at the impulse on the 5. Let's go on the 1 hour real quick. What do we got going? Bullish belt hold candle on SPY. Seeing a nice little bearishness going into this. Nice little mini, it looks like a harami cross. Not yet harami cross. Yeah, that's a harami cross. But we still have an hour left to close this candle, so anything can go. Pretty much ES and SPY are practically in line. So I think we can actually let go of ES. I don't need to watch ES. It's like watching literally the same shit. Bitcoin over here, morning. Nice little morning here. Let's see if it's going to reverse. Nice little sell-off. Morning rush, a little bit of a sell, and then now they're trying to run it. If it's running, I am not staring. Okay, I'm not. I don't. To 100%. 100%, bro. What are we doing with this? It's about to hit resistance. Boom, touched it. 173. 173 touched. Boom, gone. Bye bye. 103%. 106%. Jesus Christ. What am I doing with this? Pre-market, it ran up. Post-market, actually. And had another run up here. Oh no, pre-market. Holy shit. Bye-bye, Zcash. What's happening with Zcash? 414. Alright, here we go. The reverse question mark. Let me see. Go back to the daily on the VIX. Let's see if our thesis still stands. Yup. Thesis still looking good. Nice bullish deliberation. Bullish deliberation on the VIX. Google it. Nice long bars, bears and bears, and then wait a minute. Whoa, a nice little reaction here. Bullish deliberation on the VIX. So be very, very fucking careful. Obviously, there's 6 hours left in the day, but that structure is very clean right now where it stands. Very clean. So we exited positions. Well, at least I exited my positions. Seeing that this morning, and we are killing it. Cash heavy. Look at that now. VIX 1418. What does my title say? Bearish clause rally. How do I know? Because we saw it. We saw it. Nasty, nasty morning. Okay, so let's go back to SPY. See if it's going to hit our targets. Let's see if it's going to hit our targets. We got a nice little bearish harmonic completion. Yep, look at that. Beautiful. Printed bearish divergences. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Easy, easy, easy. Come to daddy. All right, I think we're gonna need the magnet now, guys. We're gonna lower the magnet a little bit. We're not gonna fucking jump it. We're only gonna put only a small amount of power into this thing. Not too crazy, because if I do too much, this thing, I'd be kind of worried. I'd be kind of worried, bros. I'm sorry to say, but all right, I'd be sorry to say. All right, IWM again. We saw the Harami cross on the 12-hour. It's panning out nicely. Nice bearishness going into the day so far. I am not trading this market. I am cash heavy. I am very, very cash heavy, and I'm protecting myself here. Protect, protect, protect yourself. If OPTX is another 100%, I am not staring at that thing. If he does, you know what I'm gonna do? If it's, I'm done. What am I gonna do with this information? This is not alpha. I can't trade this. What am I doing with this? Find me shit down here. What are we doing? Who's gonna take that trade? Raise your hands. I would never touch this ever. I would never touch this. This is useless information. Not that like it's not useless. It's just like it's invaluable. I'm not trading that. I don't trade FOMO. Never, ever, 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 ever do I trade FOMO. Very, 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 very rare. Very. I stopped doing that when I was late 20s. I'm close to 40. I don't do that shit no more. I don't got time. I don't got time to fuck around and find out. I do not have time. VIX. Up again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, Papa. We saw this. Yo, Discord group. What did we not? What did I say? I even posted it on Twitter, bro. Just be patient. This thing's gonna be up, up, and away. Bearish clause rally. All right, and if these motherfuckers really wanna clap everybody, look at the bullish divergences on top of that. So not only have the cleanest bullish candle structure, but you're also printing bullish divergences. Okay, bullish divs, and this is the weak one though, very weak one. Okay, it's class C technically, equal lows ish, equal lows. So interesting, but nice little pullback here. We are seeing on SPY IWM, lovely, as expected, chilling, sitting on our hands. Great opportunity to watch and observe some small caps that are retracing a little bit here, so that's a good sign for me to start shopping around, see what kind of tickers we can find on our way to Walmart. So let's take a look at some tickers. I'm just gonna go through the list quickly. I'm gonna probably put them on the 3-day, and that's gonna be the fastest way to look at this. So I'm just quickly going through them. Let me see. Maybe have that. Okay, so BMNR, dog shit. KULR ran up, now dead. ARBB, actually, we do have an alarm here, so we're gonna raise that alarm a little bit more. So ARBB is definitely on our radar, waiting for that pullback. Head and Shoulders somewhere on B line. Yeah, that's going to shit. Domo, watching Domo. D-Nut, uptrend. Whoa, D-Nut actually is in an uptrend, and it's above the 236. Oh shit. Oh, ooh, wow, D-Nut in an uptrend. Okay, rare to see. RXRX down. Trend line. BULL. Oh my God, BULL. You got destroyed, brother. I'm sorry I let you go, man. I just couldn't let a trade go red, brother. I'm sorry. I'll catch you at maybe 760. I'll catch you down there, bull. You don't mind, right? You don't mind? All right. I thought you wouldn't mind. Let me see the daily real quick on bull. Yeah, I'll catch you at 758. 758 looks good here, bull. I'll see you later, bro. SFIX down. Ooh, we got a harmonic here. Ooh, okay. We're at the golden pocket on AMPX. We're at the golden pocket on AMPX. I'm keeping an eye on this one. Actually, let's do this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna learn an 861, and then if it crosses $8, we're gonna put another alert on $8 right there. Boom. So we're keeping an eye on AMPX. AMPX is 100% a play. Sound, I got a target at 983. We do have a golden pocket, which genuinely likes to bounce off of. Clean ratio at that. And we do have a potential death cross impending. So not right now. DH. Nice little run up, pulling back a little bit. What is this? QSI. Yeah, this is one that I've been I never trade. Actually, I did trade it back many months ago, but it's been getting killed, like destroyed. QBTS, fake company. Lucid, good company. Rum, great bounce. Holy shit, I missed that monthly bounce. November 18th of 2025, I missed it. Wow, and it literally bounced right in my box, dude. Wow, how I missed that. That's crazy. Bro, I be just doing charts and I forget to set alerts and it just flies. RVYL, dog shit. SERV, dog shit. Woof, dog shit. The literal dog shit. MVIS, dog shit. Affirm, looking good. Breaking out of a channel, looking good. Scallop. Oh. Sportsman, keep an eye. It's coming. Oh, baby. It's going to hit my target. It's going to hit the 786. Wow, 132 is the target-ish. Looking good here. We do have some nice... Oh, shit. Yeah, this one, keep an eye out. Sportsman warehouse. We're going to catch this knife, and it's going to be a nice little play. If you notice the RSI, look what happened here, folks. Look what happened here. You had a massive movement to the what? To the upside, 44%. We're waiting for the next opportunity. We just got to wait for that. We got to wait for the candles to actually... first off, we got to wait for candles to hit my completion point. And then we wait for the candle structures to pan out. I might actually just have to put this one on big alert because it's getting to the point of reversal-ish. I am seeing some happy candles. We'll see what happens here, but looking good so far. It's coming to our completion point. Hopefully it does. It doesn't. That's cool. We were off by like maybe 5 cents. How many cents? I was off by 5 cents. Yeah, if it doesn't hit my target, 5 cents is fine. I'll deal with that. Live day trading. I'm with it. I'll wait for you to open up the YouTube. We'll watch you do the live trade. One thing you never do is expose your accounts. At least when I was learning TA, you never expose your accounts because you have situations like what you just said. Because people would rather see you burn in this world than they see you fucking live. And that's just the sad truth. So you avoid all that nonsense. MSOS, still waiting for our completion here at 378. VIX looking good. Everything's looking good. Bitcoin, spinning top here at the impulse down here at the 15. MSOS. Where is it? I just had it. Here we go. Yeah. This looks good here. What's the daily telling me? Yeah, we still got a little bit more downside. All right. Anyway, I really want to get in on this. I do want to get in on this so bad. Actually, MSOS is 100% on my radar. I'm waiting for this to pan out. I did say golden pocket is a real case scenario. We're just gonna wait. LNSR, 12 bucks. DVLT. Is this thing up and running again? Is this one of those? Oh, DVLT. All right, we do have 2 price targets. This is actually a good one. See, this is valuable information. We are watching 2 targets here. We got the golden ratio and we got the completion point. I would suspect that the golden ratio is going to align with this bullish trend here. This is just more of like, hey, we have a fucking oh my god scenario. The completion point is exactly clean at the 45.67. These are really good ratios here, but they're not biblical. So I just like to use them as a guidance system. But I do like where the RSI is here. Catching these knives are always fun. I like catching these knives. Oh yeah, these are always been like a nice bounce area. So the RSI 100% looks good here. Price action looking good here. Velocity coming down looking great. Broke the 50, broke the 1, and then broke the 200. Looking really good here. I like that. What's worse though is that the reason why I have this here is because look what's impending. Look what's impending. You still have this lingering death cross of 50 with the 200. So even if you hit the golden pocket, a couple days later, this 200, if this thing does not jack to the tits all the way up, well, that 200 converging with, that 50 converging with the 2, that's the death cross. So we have 2 case scenarios. Golden pocket, death cross happens, well, I'm looking at the 45.67. Okay, 45.67. So this is how you, at least in my case, you just, you plan out for the future. Nike. Under Armour. 438. Under Armour is looking really good here. Sustaining these highs, that's a good sign. As a matter of fact, that's a really great sign. Alright, so we have SPWH. We're waiting on this to hit. And that is on my radar. Let me go ahead and delete some of the plays that we already took. Well, at least I took. BULL, RZLV. Oh, yeah, RZLV is another one. I had a harmonic, and then some news came out. And we are seeing weakness now on RZLV. Oh, yeah, this is some YouTubers pumping his bag. That's why this thing is running. And it's making lower highs. Making lower highs. All right, so we're going to delete that one. LNSR. What do I have here? Looks like a cup and handle. Why is this even on my radar? Oh, AMPX just got an alert. What's going on here? Hold up. What's going on with AMPX? All right, it's at the golden pocket. That means I had it on the upper end, so that means it's bouncing exactly at the 0.65. 851, it's bouncing or reacting at the 0.65. So this means we're going to have to keep this one on our radars as well. Maybe a potential reversal. I do like AMPX. These are one of those crispy plays. And crispy with batteries, I pay attention. It's always been getting beat down, yeah. But another one. Wow, there is a theme I am seeing here. So this is the second impending death cross that we are seeing here on some of these tickers. This is the second ticker we're looking at a potential death cross. There is a theme going on, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful. Be careful. All right, now they're pumping it up. There you go, market makers. Pump it, pump it. Pump it, pump it. Front run it. Front run it. Do your thing, market makers. Do your thing. All right, I do like Under Armour. I like what it's doing here. I do like that. Now remember, we had a Under Armour. Under Armour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The breakout confirmation is the 447. So if it doesn't get there, there's no point taking this trade. At least not financial advice. But that's, oh, we are seeing lower highs on the 15 on SPY. VIX coming down 1398. We are seeing lower highs though. Let's see who's the outlier. Nice little bip here on Bitcoin, finding a mean reversion. See how long that lasts. Where's the other ticker that we've been looking at? Oh yeah, we were going through a list. Let's continue. We did Bull, Beyond Me, BMNR, Garbage, Serve, Garbage, Wolf, PZG. This one is a gold play. Sideways action, APPS coming down after that completion point. Beautiful. Mobix coming down, RGTI. Played our harmonic, ran up, had a nice hammer reaction there. Boom, and look at that. Almost to our completion point. I was only off by $1, $2, off by $2. RGTI HIMS. Ooh, shit! I didn't even see this. Well, it hit the point. Wow, to the T. Holy fuck. Wow, to the T. I've only done that 3 times, so this would be a 4th time. Wow. And I never look at HIMS. PGY, NVTS. Ooh, NVTS is a good one. This one's a good one, actually. Let's keep an eye on NVTS. That's another one we got to keep an eye on. Now, did it break a certain trend here? Nope. It's in a range. Big fat range. Big fat range. Tried to. And it just got right back in. Bust out. Bust out. Let's continue. RR. MVTS, my side P. Yeah, MVTS is a good one. RR. Ooh, multiple bottom here. Uh-oh. There is something. Very, very clean. And now, is this coming from the top or to the bottom? All right, so there's a rectangle bottom here. Let me turn on the 12 real quick. Yep, rectangle bottom. Consolidation here. Looks like it really likes this range 236, 350, and 337. Likes that. Actually, 370. The bottom 337. So it's consolidating here. Rectangle bottom here on RR. Very interesting. Shit. Strong consolidation. Very strong. God damn. Really strong. I'm not gonna lie. Interesting. Very interesting here. Gee, I wonder the, and losing volume too. Consolidation. All right, looks like they want to pump it. They want to pump it all over again here. What time is it? It's 11:21. UA T1 Energy continuously. Now we are getting some. You are getting a nice little long-legged doji, gravestone doji now. 725. So it looks like the exhaustion is about to pan out on this thing. It's about freaking time. Bitfarm 271. Redwire 844. Is it raining? Yeah. It's raining. Domo 872. Let's put an alert system here on Domo, actually. Let's put one right there. Boom. At 862. Keeping an eye on Domo. Nike. Ooh. I like that candle. That's a good candle. All right, Wolf. Oh, AMPX getting reaction here. Let me see if this is sustainable. That's a doji right now. That's pretty powerful. Yeah, that's a strong doji. On the daily too. Okay. Let's see. We got divergences, bullish dips here on top of that. AMPX is 100 on 100% on my radar. So look at that. Still making lower lows. Lower highs. So nothing's changed yet. I'm not confident in this market right now. Nothing yet. VIX 1392. Nothing yet. AMPX is reacting here at the golden pocket. To the T on top of the A51. That's clean. Let me turn on the 1 hour. Wow, now that's clean. That is very clean. I wonder if that's going to hold. Let me see the EMAs. Yeah, we haven't even touched the 5 on the daily yet. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see if it's still going to... honestly, I think we can get to our target. I'm going to be honest with you. I think we can. I think we could do it. Yeah, I think we can. Yeah, I think we can still do it. Just gotta be patient. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe that might be the. Maybe this might be the reversal. We are seeing bullish divergences here. Very, very clean bullish divergence on top of that. And this is your typical Class A bullish divs here. So keep an eye on that. Accumulated 10 more VIX. I mean, at these lows, honestly, shit, I might even get involved in that. Hold on, let me see what's going on with the VIX. Shit, I might even get involved. I actually do like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. That's still a positive hammer. Still positive now, unless I see some crazy throughout the day, like a wick. All right, consider it null and void. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed yet. What the fuck? Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Shit, this might actually be the bounce here. This actually might be the bounce. This actually might be the bounce. Yeah. We're failing. Lower highs here. Not a fan. Accumulated 10 more VIX. Bitcoin rejecting 87.3. 87.3. I'm cash heavy right now. I don't give a flying fuck. Let's see what's the VIX doing here. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Hit 24 VIX at this price, $10 a pop. Looking good. Which one's the outlier is the question mark. But everything's slowly bleeding. I mean, I have a little bit of green on my watch list, more red. For sure. Goodbye, iRobot. I'm gonna leave iRobot there for the sake of memory. We're just gonna leave iRobot in there for the sake of memory. I am gonna have some lasagna though. I am going to have a lot more lasagna going into that. Oh my god, hurry up, Spy. This is literally cancer watching this. I'd rather watch paint dry. This is ridiculous. Like, what are they doing? Just hurry up, bro. Dude, they're just taking their sweet ass time. When the market makers want to rush shit, they do it. Alright? They do it. Now they want to take their sweet fucking time. That's a Marabuza. Bullish belt hold, by the way. Bullish belt hold candle. That's a clean one, too. On the 15, be careful. Alright, Fubo, where we at? 265. Alright. If this price action continues the way it is, I'm probably just gonna vomit myself to sleep tonight. This is crazy. Plus, I'm traveling tomorrow, so I forgot about that. Shit, I gotta clean the apartment. I gotta get my luggage ready. Still weakness. I'm still waiting. This is bad. Wow, markets. Wow, they really just holding it up here, huh? They really just holding it up. Alright, we might have to amplify this shit. There you go. Bro, who are you fooling? Oh, man. 5. Who are you fooling? Thank you. Hurry up. Bro, even Stevie Wonder can see right through your bullshit. Bro, I'm just like, maybe I'm hungry. Yes, we know, you're weak. Hurry up. Fucking hell, bro. I might actually switch it. Maybe, you know what it is? This is literal dog shit price action. Literal dog shit price action. On the 1 minute, it's like clean as day. Like, look, oh wow, descending wedge. Oh wow. Is it gonna break out? Oh look, another touch. Wow. Okay. Yippee yay. Wow. So excited. Yay, look, just breaking out. Let's see if it does. Then back test the breakout. Yay. Wow. Push it. Yay. 685.61. Then create bearish divs. Then come back down. Question mark. Wow. Yep, there it is. 685.61. Just there you go. Great, you just created bearish divs. Wow. Cool. Is it gonna hold? Oh no. Bust out? Oh no. Oh no. I'm just I think I'm tired. I'm tired. Bitcoin going at it again. I woke up at 4:30 this morning. Had no sleep, and I have a trip tomorrow. 4:30 this morning, and I have a trip tomorrow. I still gotta clean the apartment, which is bad. It's actually not too bad. It's only a couple things I gotta pick up. All right, we are seeing a nice little, finally a pullback here on T1. In a bear market, I am 100% going to buy the shit out of this company once we get the pullback or potential bear market trend on 2026. Just sitting on our hands, just being patient. This is absolutely not the price action I thought we would see today. It's pretty much choppy, slow. Is tomorrow? Do people trade tomorrow? Right or no? Do they? I'm getting hungry though. Oh look, it broke out. Yay, back tested. Oh no, back tested again. Oh, is it a fake out? Oh no. Cosmos 94 cento. Nike finally printing a cool little star here. It's about fucking time, I'll tell you that much. Under Armour 438. All right, let's continue. Archer. We did speak on R already. Cypher. Oh yeah, our energy company. Let's take a. Whoa, NU up a percentage point here. NU up a percentage point. All right, let's go back to charting energy stocks real quick. Let's go ahead and take a look here. 1 minute. UAME is getting another pull to the upside. I mean, it already had a run. It's having a massive rally. What's going on here? Something's up. Yeah, something's cooking with UAME. Something's cooking. 16 hours ago, net change percentage gainers and losers. Critical minerals. Oh, these are critical mineral plays. $12 price target year out. United States engages in the provision. That is interesting. Yeah, so this thing is absolutely running it. Very interesting. I feel like they're running it again. Market makers, do your thing. So UAME, another cup formation forming on UAME. HUT, so energy looks like having a good little run here so far. At least the ones we're touching on. HUT, CRML, 10%. Nice little Eve bottom here. Really good, 5.4 million. AREC, downward channel, looks like a breakout. Another mineral company going up 8%, 8.9%. Anyway, yeah, so the energy sector looking pretty bullish here, for the most part. Wolf. I remember this thing at $3. USAR, nope. ASPI, oh, this one is if I remember correctly, it's more of a nuclear play. Remember this at $7, gone. ABAT, the little man, this one is always on my radar, but I can't trade this because it's absolutely a dog shit ticker. But at the same time, was it dog shit if it was at 337? No. Was it dog shit if it was at 364? It's 360? No. So, dog shit in the sense that I didn't get in these lows. Triple, double bottom, then it went off. Rejecting the 436, clean. UEC. Bearish. Bullish. Irene, bull. SLDP, wow. This one we were watching at $2.80. $2.80. What happened to this thing? Vivek, oh, that's one of those JZO plays. 13%. Jesus Christ. It just can't get enough. Literally, it can't get enough. VIX 1382. Yippee-yay, woo. Woo. Oh my god, hurry up. Course. Alright, I figured it out. I'm like fucking grumpy. Cause not only am I hungry, but I didn't sleep. That's my problem. RR is really calling my attention here. I'm not gonna lie. I really do like what I see here on RR. Even for like I do like that. Huh. Lower high. I mean, excuse me, higher low. Very interesting. NKTX. I have this parallel channel I haven't used in months. That color parallel channel I have yet to use in months. So I know that I was looking at this ticker sometime a very, very, very long time ago. This was probably 7 months ago, this channel color. That's how long ago it is. I'm just gonna leave it there for the sake of yeah, it looks like a nice little area here for support. Previous bounces here, actually. Yeah, looks interesting. Yeah, this looks good here. From a risk reward, it's been bouncing here twice. Double bottom again. Wait for the 5, 10, 20 question mark. Who let the dogs out? Alright, I can't watch this. Alright, I can't. I am tired. I should have fucking known myself. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to call it short. I'm tired. I'm not bringing, like, the energy today. I'm tired. Absolutely fucking tired. Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gents. I'll be back. Honestly, I don't even think streaming this week makes sense. I'll probably just touch base. I'll do some videos for sure, but not streaming. This is absolutely horrid. Horrid price action. I'm tired, dude. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button, folks. Hit the like button. Appreciate it.